In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download free app from Mad Scientist developer. This one, Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, launch it, hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those wallpaper options however you want to. Then click at the bottom right corner here, select Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes and hit Set Wallpaper over here. Lastly, you need to decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options, and when you finished, close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!